Hey, what's up guys? It's Dr. Dom, your stress kicker. And today's video is as promised, as I mentioned in the last video that we did, this one's gonna be the stretching routine, but without me blabbing. I mean, I'm blabbing right now, but I won't be blabbing through the video, not much. I'll just tell you what we're going through, which pose. Before we get into it, again, I wanna thank my super awesome, amazing videographer, Santino the Bambino. Nice, awesome. So give him some love, guys. Share in the comment section. Give him a little shout out, a little wavy, little how you doing? And so I couldn't do it without him. I really appreciate all of his help. Oh yeah. So anyway, we're gonna get into the stretching routine. Here we go. So again, we do a little shake it out, right? A little shake it out. Awesome. And then I'm just gonna kind of shut up and get going here. So shake it out. And just remember, we're gonna hold it. Each thing is gonna be for a 3 breath count. And that's it, I'm not talking anymore. Till the very end. Okay. All right, guys, so now what I'm gonna be doing is actually adding another stretches that I do. And sometimes I get a little crazy and mix it up a little bit. But this one, I'm just gonna rock back and forth, and then I'm gonna stretch out my gluteus maximus again. So, just a little rocking back and forth. Awesome.
My gym teachers call this egg roll.
Egg roll?
Egg roll.
Egg roll, there it is. I just did the egg roll.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm stretching out that gluteus maximus right here, all in through here, and also this part of the chest. Holding it for a count of 3. Or 3 count breath. Awesome. Now tuck in, right? And then the other side. And tilt, twist. The old twistaroo. Twistaroo. Oh, Calgon, take me away. Feels fantastic. This is also a really good spinal twist for you. So work on that lower lumbar, lower back area. It's also a great stretch. Awesome. Tuck in, go on back up, and now we'll go into that frog position. Froggy pose, ribbit, ribbit. Awesome. Hold it for a count of 3. Great. Now we're back up. Remember right here, we're just going to set the intention for the day. Take a proactive approach to your day. Don't let the day run you. You run the day. So.
Advice by a very wise man.
Thank you, my son. Yes, and that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's kind of weird without any me blabbing. You probably miss my voice, don't you?
No, not really.
So anyway, let me know how that worked out for you. I hope that gets you started on your stress kicking day, your stress kicker journey. And until next time, keep kicking stress where it counts. Peace.